Many happy returns of the day. It's your 13th birthday now and you are growing into a big girl now. It's been a pleasure and privilege to see you grow in a big girl and a matured girl. Wish you loads of happiness in the world and love and success. Be as you are.
Hi Princess, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all success and happiness in your life. Just remember, we are always stand for you and we are always behind you in whatever you do in your life. Love you so much.
हैप्पी बर्थडे महेश, तुम जियो, बहुत आगे बढ़ो, इंटेलिजेंट ऑफिसर बनो, मम्मी पापा को भी इसे छोड़ के और आगे बढ़ो बेटा।
बर्थडे महक, खुश रहो बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा महक, खुश रहो बेटा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे महक बेटा, खुश रहो
बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hi Mahak, wish you very happy birthday beta. Keep smiling.
हेलो महक, विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। गॉड ब्लेस यू, लव यू डार्लिंग।
विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे महक बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू, सदा खुश रहो।
हाय महक, many happy returns of the day बेटा। विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday Mahak. May all your dreams come true. Stay blessed and have a nice year ahead.
ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर महक, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
सोना, विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे। जुग जुग जियो बेटा, खुश रहो जिंदगी भर।
सोना, हैप्पी बर्थडे दिकरा, हैप्पी बर्थडे, खुश रहे, गॉड ब्लेस यू। हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे
दीदी लव यू बोल।
लव यू के लिए दीदी,
दीदी लव यू दीदी इनके
लव यू बेटा।
क्या नहीं सुना दीदी लव यू उनके क्या बेटा
लव यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल। एम करते
फ्लाइंग किस कर दे।
कालू खुश रहो दिकरा। चलो
बाय बेटा।
बाय बाय।
दीदी सोना दीदी बाय।
बाय करे सोना दीदी, बाय दीदी ने बाय। हैप्पी बर्थडे कानू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा।
सोनू दो हैप्पी बर्थडे।
ब्लेस यू ब्लेस यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
ब्लेस यू
ब्लेस यू करे, ब्लेस यू करे। प्लेन किच करते।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सोना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सोना।
Hi Mahak, wishing you a very happy birthday. बार बार ये आए, बार बार ये गाए, बार बार ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
मिस यू
बाय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोना।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोना।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोना।
गॉड ब्लेस यू, खुश रहो।
गॉड ब्लेस यू, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो।
ओके, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हेलो
हे सोना।
हाय।
हाय सोना दीदी।
हेलो सोना आंटी।
आंटी नहीं बोलने का।
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वीटहार्ट। नीनू बोल।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोना।
God bless you with all the happiness, dear.
लव यू बेटा, टेक केयर।
अच्छो अच्छो भणजो ने खूब खूब आशीर्वाद. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
लव यू.
तनको क्या हुआ?
Happy birthday, Mehak beta. We are missing you today. You turned 13-year-old. You're a big girl now, and I'm hoping that you become as charming and as good-hearted like your mom and dad. Be happy always, and we all love you, and we all miss you a lot.
Hey, happy birthday, Mahek. You are 13. Now the fun starts. For you and maybe not for your parents, but happy birthday. Wish you best of luck and congratulations.
Happy birthday, dear Mehak. God bless you.
Stay blessed, stay healthy.
Happy birthday, darling.
May your all dreams come true. God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Mehak.
God bless you. Stay happy.
Hi Mehak, wish you very very happy birthday. I wish that you get all the happiness of the life and hope you have a great day today. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sana Didi. Happy birthday to you. Sana Didi, अभी मैंने तेरे लिए song गाया हैप्पी बर्थडे का. अभी तो केक भेजना.
Hey, hi Mehak. Very happy birthday, baby. So, I'm Madhuri auntie. I'm your mother's friend. So, connection with you started when you are in your mother's womb. I'm just thinking you must be still like the mangoes. Like you was liking it like when you were a baby. Again, I wish you happy birthday. Enjoy Mehak. And I think you are the luckiest person to have a mother like Vanita, who is the strongest and the best person in the world. Enjoy your day, baby.
Hello, Mehak beta. Wish you a very happy birthday, very enthralling birthday. May God bless you with all the wishes that you desire on this birthday and in the near future birthdays to come. May you have many more good happy birthdays to come, and I wish your parents also all the good luck and congratulations to them for such a lovely, kind-hearted child and such a blessed child. May God bless you with loads of wisdom, good health, wealth and happiness in your life. And here's something from Nirek.
Happy birthday, Mehak Didi. This is a surprise for you, a gift card. Here I've opened it. I'll send the pics in the WhatsApp. You can see in your mom's phone at the WhatsApp.
He has given meaning to your name. M stands for
my.
A stands for
adorable.
H hardworking. E ebullient.
Ebullient.
That means a cheerful person. And K stands for
Hard.
kind-hearted. God bless you, beta. Have a very nice birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi Mehak, this is Leena auntie wishing you on your 13th birthday. Mehak, you are beyond amazing. You are one of the most disciplined girls I have ever met. My wish for you is to continue to dream high and work hard to achieve your goal. May beauty and happiness surround you, not only on your special day, but always. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday Mehak. Enjoy your day and the year ahead. May God bless you with lot of happiness and achieve whatever you want to achieve. Do lot of hard work. My best wishes are always with you. Yeah, love you. Enjoy.
Hi Mehak.
Happy birthday, Mehak.
Happy birthday Mehak.
Jojo se check. Sweet 13, enjoy. Yay!
Happy birthday, my lad. I miss you very much, and I'm gonna take a party from you. And yes, also the dairy milk. I won't let you go like this. And yes, I really miss our stupid conversations that we used to have in school. 3 years is gone like this. And yes, happy 3 years of friendship. I really miss the fun we used to have in school, but now I'm in a different division, so we won't be able to do that fun in class. But I'm sure we're gonna be close as we were these 3 years. I will not let you go like this. I just wanted to tell you that you're the prettiest, kindest, and the bestest friend I have ever had. Happy birthday, Vincent.
Happy birthday, Mehak. I don't even know what to call you now. I have so many names. Salad, paneer, paratha, malad. You're the best. We have had so many sweet memories together since the last 4 years. Every day with you has been so fun. Our parodies, nicknames and second floor trips were amazing. I am so grateful to have you as my best friend. You're more like a sister now. I still can't believe you're reading books though. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. I wrote that because I can't remember anything.
Happy birthday Mehak from me and Goldie. I love you so much. We love you so much. Goldie को भी तू अभी आदत हो गई है तेरे को ऐसे घर पे जब तू आती है तो गोल्डी भी शेपू हिला हिला के तेरे पास आती है ना, वो भी देखो हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल रही हूँ. बाय, आई लव यू.
Hi Mehak. Wish you a happy 13th birthday, and I hope that this day and the whole year ahead is wonderful for you.
Hi Mehak, our friendship is like gold, strong, bright and exclusive. I hope that it never ends. Happy birthday dear, may you achieve all your dreams and great heights in life. Keep smiling and keep glowing like a star. May you have a great year and many more to come. Love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Mehak.
And wishing you again a very happy 13th birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mehak. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Mehak. I hope your day will be filled with all your wishes. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mehak Didi. Have a nice day. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday and a safe birthday.
Happy birthday, Mehak. May this day be the happiest day for you.
Hello Mehak, remember me? I'm your childhood friend Bettina. I miss playing with you so much. It used to be so much fun. We used to play the whole day together in the gardens at each other's houses. I remember you were my only friend in the whole society. We used to have so much fun. We used to play here and there all the time. Anyways, after lockdown we will make sure that we meet each other, okay? Anyways, happy birthday. Happy 13th birthday, Mehak.
Happy birthday, Mehak. Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to your Mehak. Happy birthday.